Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am getting ready to go to an event, so I have like literally 30-40 minutes. So this probably isn't the best time to decide that I just don't know how to do my makeup anymore. Like between doing the video with the full face of luxury and then the video with the full face of drugstore, I was seeing stuff and I was like, oh wait, that's cute. Wait, I kind of like that. Wait, maybe I should go back to that. And I've just been going back and forth with all of that. So now I'm at the point where I don't know how to do it, and I don't know what products mix together and that I like. And like I said, this probably isn't the best time to try to be figuring that out because I have like 30 minutes to do my makeup. But that's what we're gonna do. So if you guys wanna see that, let's go. I went to an event yesterday, I did my makeup, and I didn't like how it came out. So there's that. I already put primer on. I just used two Danessa primers. So let's get into foundation. Since I am going to an event, let's go ahead and use the Mer foundation. Y'all, when I tell you the last 36 hours have been something, okay? Like I said, I went to an event yesterday. Going to an event the next day, especially since yesterday was like more of a nighttime event, this is a daytime event. TT ain't got it in here. But also I need to stock up on my iron pills, so it could be that as well. But when I tell you tired, you can probably hear it in this video. Tired. And then while I was getting ready yesterday, I literally had a good 5 hours ahead of time to start getting ready, which I did. Like, I took advantage of the 5 hours, and I still ended up rushing because I did not, the outfit that I had in mind, it did not work out for me. So I was vlogging, so you know, I did vlog that crash out, but and it was like, it just went downhill after that. So if today's outfit doesn't work out for me, you guys might get to see me crash out too. Let's see. Now for concealer, yesterday, what combination did I do yesterday? I think Gucci was in it, and I don't know if that's, but I just started liking concealer, so please don't piss me off. But today I'm gonna use the NYX and the Fenty. They're my favorite mid-range concealer and then my favorite drugstore concealer, so hopefully those two together I can get behind it. I will say though, even though I didn't care for my makeup last night, took flash pictures, no flashback. Okay, and then I'm gonna set, this is where I start to not know what I'm doing. I'm gonna use the Westman Ateilier, wait, no. I'm gonna use my translucent honey from Laurent Mercier. I'm telling y'all, I don't know, I ain't been feeling it. I ain't been feeling my face. And press that in. LYS stick on my contour, and then I'm gonna just do Charlotte for bronzer. Did I do that yesterday? I did do that yesterday. Maybe I should get a different bronzer, but I'm already here, and like I said, I got like 15 minutes. Well, like 13 now. And I told y'all I don't really be like contouring, bronzing my forehead when I have a wig on because I've already lessened my forehead when I put the wig on. it's time for me to book a silk press. I got like one more wig in me, maybe two. And then I need my silk press. I also need a trim because I haven't gotten one since like October. I'm gonna use the Huda blushes for liquid blush today. They're in the shade Peach Sorbet and Watermelon Pop. They smell really good. And take that up into my concealer. And then NYX Buttermelt in Had Butter as a powder blush. Forgot I had blush on my nose. Okay, so now let me take that Westman Atelier pressed powder. Press her under my eye, let that sit real quick, and then move on to setting spray. Okay, now to set my face, I'm gonna use the One Size On Till Dawn. And then the e.l.f. Dewy. And yeah, y'all, that is my face for today. I'm still not sure if I like it. It's also that time of the month, so it could also be that, you know, you just kind of hate everything about yourself during that time of the month. So yeah, but this is gonna be my face for the day. And then my face with this dress, I'll give y'all a better angle, but I'm cute, but I'm not. But I literally have to call my Uber, so I don't really have a choice. It's time for me to go. But yeah, that is it. And I guess I will still be trying to figure out how to get back to doing my makeup where I like it. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Let me know in the comments if y'all know where I'm coming from, because I feel like I sound crazy, but I feel like also someone out there understands what I'm saying. Make sure 2 thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.